Hello, my name is Eliza, and hey guys, my name is Eliza, and I am going to be doing a YouTube series about an American student studying abroad in England, specifically Manchester, for the next year, because I will be in Manchester, England for about a year. I'm doing a postgraduate degree in international disaster management, and it's only 1 year as opposed to America, which is 2 years. So that is what I will be doing, and I just thought, why not film it? So I'm gonna put these out there, and anyone who benefits from them, great, that's my goal. So this video is basically going to be about packing for a year abroad or a semester abroad. My favorite way of packing is called clown car packing. It sounds a little crazy, but it works. It has worked for me for about 4 years, ever since I discovered it. Clown car packing is the way to go. The next thing you're going to want are essentials and things that go together. You've probably heard this before. Simple colors where you can mix and match. This isn't the time to bring the most craziest clothes you own, because you can't really probably wear all those clothes together. So just like simple clothes that you can layer, which is very important, especially in England, because it can get hot, but then it can get very cold, especially in the same day. So layers are very important, especially if this is kind of a tangent, but like if you're on a bus, you've been walking through the cold, freezing, then you get on a bus, it's hot, it's stifling. You don't want to take off all your layers, you just want to take off one layer. Or, like me, I just, keep all my layers on and melt. Another important thing is if you haven't worn it in about 3 to 4 months, then don't bring it. You're not going to wear it in this 1 year. Even though you think you might, you're not. If you're going home sometime throughout the year, like if you're doing a first year abroad and you go home during Christmas, remember that. Just take what you need for the fall, and then you can go home and switch out all your clothes and have a fresh new wardrobe when you come back for the new year. Probably my favorite thing is you can just buy clothes wherever you are. Unless you're going to like a really remote part of the jungle, you're going to have places where you can shop and get more clothes, get toiletries, get shoes, get like anything you need. Anything. So I came from a small town in Texas, which, Texas is hot almost all the time, to England. My first year I was in London for a year, and it wasn't that bad. Probably because my classes were in the same building that I slept, which was very nice, especially in the winter. But now I have to walk like 25 minutes to class from my uni accommodation. It's cold, so just brace yourself for that weather change. I also did my undergraduate degree in Florida. Texas, Florida, Manchester. A little different. Back to my point about being able to buy clothes wherever you are. This can literally like evolve your style. For me, freshman year, I had never worn a crop top in my life. That's all I wear now. Not all the time, but I own a lot of crop tops. Just ask anyone that knows me and they'll be like, yeah, she loves her crop tops. Striped crop tops used to be like my kryptonite. I've kind of leveled off on the stripes now, but I still love my crop tops. Also, very important, weight limit. Be sure to check the weight limit of what airline you are flying on. You don't want to get hit with that excess baggage fee. That will suck. To Manchester, I flew with Norwegian. I was only allowed one checked bag. Turns out that wasn't enough, so I had to pay $50 more for another bag. But I'm pretty sure the weight limit was like 20 kilograms on both of them. One of them was like, when I weighed them at the airport, it was like 19.6 and the other was like 18.8 or something. So make sure you have a scale at home. The way I weighed my bags was getting on a scale, seeing how much I weighed, getting off the scale, letting it reset, picking up my bag, and then getting back on the scale and subtracting my weight from the bag weight plus me. And my dad showed me how to do that, and that kind of blew my mind, not gonna lie, because I was just trying to sit the bag on the scale and that just wasn't working. So try my way. Or unless you're just like really smart and already knew that and you're like, duh, Eliza, duh, then good on you. This might be the most basic thing to remember, but apparently I still did not remember it. If you're going from somewhere like Texas to somewhere like the north of England, then you're gonna want long pants, jeans, pants, not 10 pairs of shorts and 2 pairs of jeans, because my like 4th day I had to go out and buy 3 pairs of jeans from Primark. And if you don't know what Primark is, you will love it. The clothes are really cheap, as long as you just kind of forget that children made the clothes that you are wearing in sweat factories. But if you put that behind you, alright, so this was my packing video. I'm gonna do another video about just what specifically Americans should know about going to study abroad in the UK. We're gonna be talking about phones, we're going to be talking about banks, travel cards, rail cards, all the student discount sites you should know about. Stay tuned. Bye guys.